Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today's topic is about inductive and deductive approaches, and I welcome all of you to this episode. Inductive and deductive reasoning has a very prominent difference. Inductive reasoning leads towards development of a theory. On the other hand, deductive reasoning aims for testing of an existing theory. In deductive reasoning, there is proposition of hypotheses which are being tested, and at the end, hypothesis can be confirmed or rejected. So, if we would like to understand, we can also say that inductive research starts from narrower to broader side, or we can say that specific to general and broader theories. You can see the picture that it is moving from specific topic to general perception or general concept. So if we see the deductive reasoning, it works from general to specific, means broader to narrower direction. So there is a general concept of anything, and we will try to investigate or try to reach at a point which is specific. We can also understand both the approaches with the help of this table. Deductive reasoning is focused on the development of principles. However, inductive reasoning will focus towards understanding of an event. Deductive reasoning will put more focus or full focus on existing thing which has already been established. However, inductive reasoning will work for the development of a new theory, new concept. We will go for quantitative data for deductive reasoning, and we will go for qualitative data for inductive reasoning. So quantitative data means that we can quantify, we can have digits, we can have numeric support. And qualitative data means we have a lot of information in the form of explanation. In deductive reasoning, we go for data validation. We will talk about reliability, validity, and then we will move towards measurement and structural model. However, inductive reasoning is flexible for changes because it is in the process of development of a new theory. So there are different dimensions, and if there is something new, we adopt it. Deductive reasoning is highly structured. Inductive reasoning is less structured. So if I will talk about the questionnaires are structured. You will put some limit. However, in inductive reasoning, less. You will give chance to respondent to speak more so that you can to the base of a problem. Deductive reasoning is generalization, that the principles and the results can be implemented on larger scale. However, in inductive, there is a less need of generalization because it is concept development. In deductive reasoning, you will go for hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing means you will develop a framework. Before that conceptual framework, you will go for problem statement. However, in inductive reasoning, there is no need of hypothesis, and you will test it in a different way. We need large number of sample for deductive reasoning, and we need small number of sample in inductive reasoning. There is a more scrutiny, and on the other hand, you will find less scrutiny of the data. In deductive reasoning, there is a shortage of time because researcher has to complete a research based on some problem statement within a given time frame. On the other hand, in inductive reasoning, abundance of time is required to reach to some concrete solutions. Thank you very much. If you have any question, please write it down.